garden friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video that I have been looking forward to doing so much. I'm really excited about getting started back into doing some fun videos that I really enjoy doing. I've been kind of in a lull recently, so I thought this would be a really fun one to film for you guys. So this one is going to be a fall container planting video, and I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to name it. It may be exactly that, which would probably make you guys laugh, but either way, I'm going to be planting up the container that I have on my front porch for fall, and I'm really excited. I have some mums, I have some other cool stuff which I will show you, so I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like for the fall. Hello, if you're new, my name is Crystal and I do lots of gardening videos, but either way, hello, thank you for joining us, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps my channel out to continue to grow our garden friend community. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys what I have for today to plant up this front porch container. I'm also going to show you what it looks like currently right now, and it looks so, I don't even know. It's not that bad, but it's kind of crazy looking. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the front porch planter looks like currently. It has lots of overgrown creeping jenny, overgrown diamond frost euphorbia. It has a geranium back in here as well, which I'm going to pop out and put into a pot. It also has a really suffering impatient, sorry it's not focusing, there we go, impatient that probably just needs to be chucked. And oh yeah, and then also some lobelia that is really worse for wear. He's probably gonna get chucked too. I don't know, I might go ahead and I might try to pop him somewhere in part shade. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now, and I'm gonna pop this diamond frost euphorbia out and put him somewhere else, and I think I know where I want to put him. So I think I'm gonna put him actually right here. We had a big rainstorm come through and all of my sunflowers are flopping, but I'm gonna go ahead and stake them up, and I think I'm gonna put him right next to my really pathetic looking rose. I think that might give it a little bit of pop of color. I honestly might just move my rose somewhere else too, because he's suffering a bit, and I don't really like the focal point from the road to be him, since he's not doing super great. So I might go ahead and move him somewhere else, maybe down a little bit, and then pop the euphorbia right there. Actually, I really like that idea, so I might go ahead and do that, or just shift him over here and then put the euphorbia there, or vice versa. Like maybe pop him back there or something. So we'll see what I end up doing. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with the euphorbia, but I will pop him somewhere because he's just so gorgeous and has been thriving so well in that pot. I cannot just throw him away. So here's what I've got to replace the euphorbia and all the other plants in the pot. So this is what I've got, guys. So I had a clearance Hamelin dwarf fountain grass, and they only get to be about 20 inches tall and wide, and I just thought that that would be perfect for a container. He has these really cute little tufts here. It's got a little bit of dead in there, but I think that that actually kind of gives it that fall vibe, so I'm pretty happy with him. So he's gonna go in the back. I've got some mums, some red mums to go right next to him, and then I have a couple of, so I'm not planting all of these in here, don't worry, they were just getting watered. But I have some sweet potato vine as well. That's like a lime neon green, which I thought would give a really nice complement to the maroon color of the mums. And then the only thing that I'm going to leave in here is the creeping jenny. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a haircut, but it looks so good. And I love that it's covering up the blue pot, because I think that, I mean, blue definitely can go for fall, but it's kind of like a periwinkle, if that makes sense. So I feel like that's just not very fall-like. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the creeping jenny there and just cut off all the extra. I am going to try to propagate it, so I'll let you guys know how that ends up going, but everything else is going to come out. Okay, so I'm super excited to see what this ends up looking like. I think it's going to be the perfect refresh for fall, and I'm just super excited. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get started and get some plants into this pot.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. person. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your. Yeah, your blue eyes, all my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you. I'm nervous.
Okay guys, so I finished planting up the pot, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. Look at how gorgeous that looks. I am so crazy happy with it. I think it looks awesome. I know that the ends kind of look a little blunt, but that's okay. I knew they were going to grow out eventually. I'm not too worried about it, but let me go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. So there is kind of this blank space in the middle, but that is actually purposeful because I know that these sweet potato vines, I ended up putting 2 of them in here because I wanted it to fill out this way and this way. I know that they're going to get big and bushy, and so I just gave them a little bit of space, and I knew the mum hopefully will grow a little bit more as well, like out to this side and out to this side. And then I did stick one back here just so it can cascade over this side. So I'm hoping that as the mums actually come into bloom and get a little bit bigger, mums do need to be deadheaded to continue to bloom. So just keep that in mind. I know a lot of you are purchasing mums, so I just wanted to kind of give that a little bit of a shout out that you definitely need to keep on top of them for them to continue to bloom. I do kind of wish I had some purple foliage in this pot. I think that a purple potato vine would have been better, but these are the ones that I had on hand, and if I find some that I want to add in later on in the season, that's fine. I can go ahead and just take these out and maybe put them somewhere else or in a different container. But either way, here's an up close of kind of what the color looks like. Pretty. And then the little poofies. So either way, I'm super happy with how that turned out, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like going forward into the fall. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I'm super happy with how everything turned out, and just to let you guys know, I'm really pumped for fall, and so there are going to be a lot more fall inspired videos coming your way in the next couple of weeks, so definitely stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!